toy drive. It's still windy.
Check.
And it's cold. Your beanie. I can feel it. This is our little setup that we got going on. It's just one sleeping bag to...
There's our Wi-Fi password.
Don't use it. Don't use it.
My feet are very cute. Oh, Denise's feet. Denise. Toy drive. Oh, look at how pretty it looks.
Update you when we're warm.
Don't want to use her hands. Look at
For
how
you
cute
guys.
she looks.
Oh my god, look at that outfit.
Okay, model.
Hey,
hey.
You ready?
Okay, go.
Ray-Bans from the Philippines, only $30. Of course, KLUC 90.5 scarf. A sweater that I got for $15 on Black Friday. Belt I got on Amazon for $5. These are my skinny jeans I haven't fit into for 3 years since I got pregnant, and boots from Target.
Expectation. Reality.
It's so sombrero!
I got a caramel macchiato. Anna's a copycat. And she got caramel macchiato. Sipping that truth coffee. Toast the camera, Anna.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I get to close the truck! Woo! Woo!
So here we are on day number 3 of Toy Drive, and right now I'm thinking 2 people that are extraordinarily deserving of closing Coca-Cola truck number 5. Anna and Denise, who are practically grown up with Toy Drive, now that work here at 98.5 KLUC, the originators, along with Big Sister Disney, of Toy Drive Dance Party, and have done amazing work all morning long to make all of this happen. At exactly 2 o'clock on day number 3 of the 18th annual 98.5 KLUC Checking Canada Morning Zoo Toy Drive, Coca-Cola truck number 5, shut it down! And the crowd that's watching is overwhelmed.
Oh, there goes the wheel fit. The camera's behind you. What?
Even better.
Watch me. Break it. I'll take it too, that's fine.
Hey guys, so I got home like a couple hours ago, but I just now found the energy to pretty much get ready for bed, edit the video, and then just go straight to sleep so I can do it all over again in the morning. So unfortunately the vlog is going to end right here, but like I said yesterday, go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already to my main channel and this channel, of course, to follow the rest of my Vlogmas adventure, and then follow all my social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I realized that I didn't ask a question of the day yesterday, so today I'm going to ask what your favorite holiday tradition is, or your favorite thing about the holiday season, so Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate at all, what's your favorite part? My favorite part is getting to give presents to everybody from my family, my friends, and my coworkers, and just seeing the smile on their face and making them laugh. What more can I say? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!